Oral-B Superfloss observations from a dental hygienist: be safe, be sure, be informed. By taking these extra steps, this guide aims to provide insights into practical considerations for safe usage designed to protect personal and household health in ways often overlooked. Below. Oral-B Superfloss cardboard box with plastic sleeve thread dispenser. 1. The critical role of hand hygiene. It might seem obvious, but the importance of thorough hand washing, before-after use, is essential when handling Oral-B Superfloss box, as frequently, when using the threads, blood and saliva will be present. 2. Mastering safe thread extraction. To minimize waste and prevent contamination, users should stabilize the dispenser with one finger and then gently pull out a single thread from the plastic sleeve. If excess threads are inadvertently pulled out, clean hands are paramount before pushing them back into the sleeve, preventing the transfer of potential contaminants like blood or saliva back into the package. 3. Understanding cross-contamination and household sharing. The FDA's 2020 authorization of saliva tests for COVID-19 clearly demonstrated the existence of the coronavirus in saliva. This critical insight highlights a broader concern as saliva or blood is often present during flossing, clearly creating a potential for cross-infection health hazards. For this reason, sharing multi-user packaging should be strictly avoided within a household. If one user is an unknown carrier for conditions e.g. hepatitis C or HIV, direct contact with the packaging, especially if contaminated with microscopic traces of bodily fluids, could pose a health risk to other householder users. Example: saliva test for COVID-19. 4. Mindful packaging handling. Cardboard boxes can easily absorb liquids, including blood or saliva, and easily tear when damp or roughly handled. Always ensure hands are clean and dry when handling the cardboard box. This maintains the integrity of the packaging, preventing any potential transfer of contaminants to your hands or vice versa. According to Procter & Gamble, their cardboard box Superfloss packaging dispenser, unchanged in over 30 years, complies to all product safety and packaging standards for consumers worldwide. Repeated queries, 2021 to 2025, regarding safety, reliability, and efficacy, directed to numerous esteemed American Dental Association professionals, after 4 years only yielded a unanimous silence. Considering the core values and rigorous standards upheld by the world-renowned ADA, it is understood that if any of these professionals had identified any safety shortcomings concerning the product packaging, thread removal or user instructions, they would have promptly notified Procter & Gamble as well as health agencies. Therefore, this unequivocal lack of response, again confirmed the ADA's collective endorsement for the product. In December 2020, persistent queries concerning product safety with regard to the evolving COVID-19 pandemic led to the ADA issuing a cease and desist notification. Various ADA representatives contacted 2021 to 25 include Dr. Purima Kumar, Chair, Department of Periodontology/Oral Medicine, University of Michigan /Chair of the ADA Council on Scientific Affairs 2024. Dr. Linda Edgar, President-elect ADA 2023. Dr. James Lesnicki, Managing Director ADA. Dr. Shannon E. Mills, Lead Author ADA Post-COVID 2022, Practical Guide to Effective Infection Prevention and Control. In 2020 to 2021, both Swedish TAPE and Colgate-Palmolive introduced modifications after acknowledging the health and safety concerns related to their respective floss cardboard box packaging. TAPE added the phrase "recommended single-person use" in 5 languages to the side of its boxes, a valuable step towards clarifying usage. However, this key phrase has since been removed and replaced by "recommended one-time use." While one-time use is clear, the absence of any guidance on how to properly clean the thread, should someone decide to reuse it, presents a critical gap, seemingly in contrast with the brand's stated commitment to "it's all in the details." Image 11 TAPE Bridge Implant Floss Box 2020. Image 12/13 TAPE Box with updated printed recommendations 2021 to 2025. Instead, Colgate-Palmolive exchanged their Meridol Special Floss cardboard box with a double-sided rigid wipeable plastic container, with an adhesive flap for opening/closing the container. Although pre-announced in 2020 by the Colgate Oral Care Director, no specific handling or hand washing instructions were added. Image 14 Colgate-Palmolive Meridol Special Floss Packaging, 2020. 15/16 Colgate-Palmolive Meridol Special Floss Rigid Plastic Container Redesign 2021. By adopting these often overlooked safeguards, individuals can significantly elevate the safety and hygiene of their Oral-B Superfloss routine, protecting both personal and household health.